Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I never knew that I would make a video how to make PDF. What happened is my friend wanted to make a PDF and he directly went to this website called I Love PDF, and what he did is he just dragged and dropped this Word document here, and when I saw this I was literally shocked, but then I realized that many people's first interaction with the internet was through smartphones, not computers. So they never learned the basic computer skills properly. Uh, and still, what I believe is that everyone should know certain simple things like creating PDFs, organizing files, using folders, creating basic shortcuts, sending attachments properly. And when I am busy with my own work, projects or studies, and stopping everything just to make a PDF for someone else feels a bit too much. And I am really too lazy to teach every single one again and again how to do this. So I'm making this video, and let's directly jump in to our task. I've already prepared everything, so we do not need to waste the time. Go to file, save as, desktop, or any location that you want to save. There, instead of by default Word document, select PDF and save as PDF. This is method one, but I usually do not uh, use even this method. What I do is Control P. Here, if you leave the pages here blank, then every single page would be saved as PDF. But sometimes I want from page, I do not want page 1, want page 1, 2 to 4. I do not also want to print or save this page as PDF. I usually use this method, and make sure you select the printer as Microsoft Print to PDF. Otherwise, you'll have unnecessary printed sheets and print. And let's see our second methods print out. Page 2, page 3, page 4. Page 1 and page 5 are not included. And I usually use this method. Even the previous method works. It just saves every single page in the PDF. And before going to Excel, I will teach PowerPoint. PowerPoint here I made 4 slides. File, save as, desktop. I usually prefer to save it in desktop, PDF, and save. And you have a PDF of 4 pages or 4 slides. Method 1, method 2, Control P. Select. I have already selected 2 and 4 by default. This is the third time I am recording, and I forgot to turn on the mic each and every time. I hope I am recording this time. See, page or slide 2 and 4 are the only slides that are getting saved as PDF. Same, check for the printer each and every time. Sometimes I miss this and select the actual printer and get printouts or find PDF. See, only slide 2 and 4 has been saved as PDF. I usually prefer this control P method because I have more control on what uh, pages that I have to have in my PDFs. Same here, but before going to file and directly saving it as a PDF, I would suggest you to go to view. There we have something called page break preview, page layout, and normal. Page break preview shows exactly what data are included in what page. Here you can see from A1 cell to J47 is in page 1 and K1 to P47 is in page 2. Sometimes what happens is the data would be at just A23 to N22. Then what happens is you get two different pages. I at the time what I do is I just switch the page layout to landscape. Now you can see if I wanted only data from data up to A34 cell to M34, from A1 to M34 it is included in page 1 and the rest is included in page 2, from N1 to E34 page 3 and so on. Oh, I do not want to four pages to be printed or saved as PDF. I just want to. In this case, it's usually uh, portrait option, but usually when I save, I have to manually switch it to landscape because I have data in this way. Now portrait. After this only, please save as PDF. Same method. Select PDF and make your PDF. Now you can see the data. Method 2. Before method 2, I also want to show you something else. In view, if you select a page layout, you can exactly see as what data are printed in page 1 and page 2. And you can also start editing here. Add footer, note, add a header. These options are available. I usually, before printing, only in Excel we have this issue. Before printing, I always go to view, page layout, and then only check everything and then print. Control P, same Microsoft print to PDF. Now I want only page 2. I do not want page 1. Now I am selecting page 2 to 2. And you can see only page 2 has been printed as saved as PDF. Please learn these skills, guys. So you do not have to rely on internet always. And if there is any other basic computer skills that you wanted to learn from me or smartphone things also, please mention them in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.